Hey, is the idea of starting a reselling business driving you to drink? Or have you spinning in circles? Hi guys, my name is Coffee Freelancer here, bringing you strategies, motivation, and information for your freelancing journey. And today, I'm bringing you 5 strategies for starting a reselling business or revamping one. Enjoy. So, if you're new to the channel, my name is Chris, and I have been working in the gig economy for over 2 years now, reselling for about a year, getting my real estate license, and all around freelancer and musician here where I live in Kansas. And today, I have been revamping my eBay store and my reselling business for the last month or so. And so I wanted to make a video that may appeal to either people who are interested in starting their own or in revamping one that's not doing so well. And that is the reason for today's video. And I'm giving you 5 strategies for starting a reselling business or revamping one. So let's get right to it. Number 1, have some capital to start with. Even if you're starting with home items that you want to sell, you need shipping money. So you're going to need a job, or you're going to need money that you've saved up for a long period of time. One or the other, pardon me, to get started with this. And number 2, you're going to want to have all your supplies up front, which you're going to want a computer with internet access, a printer to print labels off of eBay rather than just doing it all at the post office will save you lots of money, trust me. And you're going to want, try to order USPS shipping supplies, which you can get for free online, particularly priority mail. You're going to want to learn priority mail very well. And of course, that applies to anybody that's new or anybody that is trying to revamp. And number 3, you're going to want to find repeatable items in your area. There is really no particular rules for what sells for resellers, but you want to have repeatable items. So a lot of people, the easiest thing to be repeatable is like jeans and shoes. You can pretty much find them all over the place. And that's a good way to start. And then if you find miscellaneous items that are worth a lot of money and you want to branch out into books or electronics, that would be okay. But try to pick a few categories that are repeatable that you're going to continue to do. All right. So number 4, you guys, is you're going to want to clean up your junk or your death pile. And in fact, if you're new, try to avoid a death pile. But if you're revamping in that process like I am, you're going to want to discard the things that are not selling and make sure that you are only stocking up on items that you can sell. And, really the goal, you would like to have just a huge stockpile, whether it's in your apartment, garage, storage unit, wherever, of things that are going to sell. And anyway, so this is just one of my several boxes that I need to go through. But right here, you can see I have this Foreman grill, and these are everywhere, and they're not worth very much. And when I first got into reselling, I didn't know the value of these things. So that's something I'm going to discard. But as you can see in here, like I have this couple of button-down shirts here. These sell well, so I will keep these. This big stack of jeans here and Dockers. In fact, one of the last items I sold was a pair of Dockers. And so I'm going to keep those. As you see, there's more jeans down here, and these are all going to be listed very soon. There's a Star Trek DVD there. That DVDs do not go for very much unless you find particular ones that are collectible. So that's going to be, discard that. There's some other things in here that I found at random yard sales, like these are seat covers. They do not sell. They've been listed for over a year, and so I'm going to try them at a flea market, or I'm just going to donate them or find somebody that wants to either buy them for a quarter or just have them, whichever. And there's some other things in here. There's like hair rescue. I don't even remember where the heck I got this. Maybe somebody would want that, but it wasn't worth much to begin with. So maybe Goodwill again, or maybe a yard sale item. There's several books in here, none of which sold. A couple of them are from like some lapsed preachers that made some mistakes, and so definitely just going to get rid of those. But the clothes, definitely going to keep. And I have about a few more boxes that I need to go through. But anyway, that's all part of my revamping. And I'm getting a new printer, so that's going to help. But at any rate, number 5, you're going to want to find your business model and stick to it. And that just means if you want to have a small store that makes you like $500 a month, that's great. Just keep it at that level. Or are you going to want to be one of those crazy people that has like a gigantic warehouse and they make, millions a year or $1 million a year? You just kind of want to decide what you're going to stick to. And again, I've enjoyed doing this. I've started to have some success, and so that's why I'm ramping up my store and making these changes. And I suggest you do that too. And I will make another part 2 video coming up. And I will also be starting my small town thrifts series. So enjoy that. Please like and subscribe and comment. And as always, keep on drinking that coffee. And keep on freelancing. Have a good day, guys. See you later.